Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Wole, revising or summarizing Dan Lok book. Do you have any idea, experience, or skills? Convert it to books. Dan Lok will teach you how to, make money with your books in this video. Now, Dan Lok mentioned 6 ways to make money with your books. Number 1 is to convert it to different language. Of course, if you convert it to different language, you reach more audience and you get paid. Convert it to audio books that you can sell in Audible, AudioMac. A lot of people want to be dual functioning. They want to be cooking while listening, so they like audio. So by that, you will reach more audience, and Audible or AudioMac will be paying you. Turn your book into online courses such as teaching on your YouTube webinar, website, all those places. You could get paid. Definitely, you know that too. Then physical coaching such as program, seminar. You could be invited, or you create your own seminar and you could also get paid. Definitely, by attending seminar and all those things. And another thing is licensing program that other will have access to your book. When other have access to your book and you've licensed it, they will definitely pay a token to access your book before they can use it. You can also make yourself available to other people programs. Now, the other time, point number 5, I was talking about you organizing program, you hosting program and charging money on it. Now, in this case, you will also make yourself to other people program, show other people that you are authority. When you write book, the meaning of authority means author. If you author any book, you are authority. So tell anybody that you are your authority and you want to contribute to their program. Most will allow you DM. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how to monetize your book that you've written. It's very simple to write book. I have written 2 books and 2 books is still on development. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to know that if you have any idea, experience, or whatever, you could convert it to book by reading other people's experience on that. Share this video.